Welcome back to our prelims PYQ series, in which we are decoding UPSC prelims 79 to 2024. Here it is 45 plus years of questions and arranged in a theme-wise and subject-wise manner. Same question will appear on your PYQ portal on the Academy website, and the class notes will be provided for that. को बता दूं कि हमारा PSP 2025 is still going on. You can check out its components. Today's topic is temple architecture. Let's start. Which one of the following temples figured in the news regarding the institution of Devdasi? Now, this is 1996. उस टाइम करंट अफेयर्स में टेम्पल्स वेर इन न्यूज, तो उस बेसिस पे यूपीएससी ने क्वेश्चन पूछा है। तो अभी भी कोई अगर फेमस टेम्पल जो कि यूपीएससी ऑप्शन में आप देख रहे हैं एंड वो अगर न्यूज में है, तो इट इज योर ड्यूटी एज एन एस्पिरेंट टू मेक नोट्स ऑन दैट, टू कवर दैट कॉम्प्रहेंसिवली. नाउ टॉक अबाउट देवदासी. देवदासी आर दोज वुमेन who actually gives all their life to God. बेसिकली देवर वाइफ ऑफ गॉड. तो अगर इसमें देखूं मैं 64 योगिनी टेम्पल भेड़ाघाट, इट इज अ फीमेल टेम्पल और इट इज अ बेस्ड ऑन देवी और देवी शक्ति. एंड कंदरिया महादेव टेम्पल खजुराहो इरोटिक टेम्पल. एंड पशुपतिनाथ टेम्पल काठमांडू नेपाल. आंसर इज हियर इज जगन्नाथ टेम्पल पुरी, जहां देवदासी सिस्टम फॉलो होता था. देवदासी इज अ गर्ल डेडिकेटेड टू वर्शिप एंड सर्विस ऑफ अ डेटी. दे आर कंसिडर्ड एज ह्यूमन वाइफ ऑफ लॉर्ड जगन्नाथ. तो आप ध्यान दीजिएगा कि जगन्नाथ पुरी जो टेम्पल है वो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. यूपीएससी कंसिडर्स इट वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. नाउ यू हैव द ड्यूटी टू राइट कि हु फाउंडेड जगन्नाथपुरी टेम्पल, कब फाउंड हुआ था, कौन सी डायनेस्टी ने किया था, कौन से किंग थे उस टाइम. विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट्स इज नॉट करेक्ट? कौन सा इसमें नॉट करेक्ट है? द स्टैच्यू ऑफ गोमतेश्वरा एट श्रवण बेलगोल रिप्रेजेंट्स द लास्ट तीर्थंकर ऑफ जैन. नाउ if you have been reading current affairs, this statue of गोमतेश्वरा was in news recently also. अभी 2002 में भी था. स्टैच्यू ऑफ गोमतेश्वरा जो है, जो कि बाहुबली की मूर्ति है, and Bahubali was a son of Lord Rishabdev. Rishabdev was not last Tirthankar but the first Tirthankar of Jains. Answer is A. It is not correct. Then India's largest Buddhist monastery is in Arunachal. Yes, this is correct. Khajuraho temples were built under Chandela kings. This is also correct. Hoysala temple is dedicated to Shiva. This is also correct. Now you can see that this option is also used by UPSC in the first question. The answer here is A. The statue of Gomteshwara was built in deference to the Jain deity Bahubali. It does not represent the last Tirthankar. Second, India's largest Buddhist monastery is Tawang Monastery located in Arunachal. ये ध्यान रखिएगा. It is the second largest in the world after the Potala Palace in Tibet. आपको बता दूं कि prelims के कुछ components हैं and you can see its components. You can take the screenshot of it. And here are our USPs of our PSP program. The Nagara, क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 पे चलते हैं. Nagara, Dravid and Basara are the, ये तीन क्या है? ये तीन that are the three main styles of Indian temple architecture. Answer is C. Question number 4. With reference to cultural history of India, the term Panchayatan. Panchayatan is a Sanskrit word. Panch is पांच, पांच से आप देखेंगे. And Yatan is basically that consists of. तो Panchayatan is basically a main deity with other deities side by side. ये Panchayatan temples type of temple construction था. Panchayatan style is a style of temple construction. Answer here is C. Moving to next question, which is question number 5. With reference to art and archaeological history, which one of the following was made earliest? 2015 का क्वेश्चन है. अब it gets very challenging if you try to eliminate it. ठीक है, तो always think of two similar statements, rock cut elephant and Dolly and rock cut monuments and महाबलीपुरम. यही रॉकेट का ही जमाना था पहले, कि उसमें लोग पेंटिंग कर रहे थे, उसके बाद रॉकेट बनाने लगे थे. देन वी हैड स्ट्रक्चरल और स्कल्पचर्स. फाइन. देन रॉकेट एलिफेंट एट धौली एंड रॉकेट मॉन्यूमेंट्स एंड महाबलीपुरम. इसमें यू कैन गेट कंफ्यूज्ड. Not is this, not in this. So you are basically 50% closer to an answer, and your probability to get an answer correct is now 50%. The answer here is rock cut elephant at Dolly. एग्जाम कंडीशन में ये क्वेश्चन हैंडल करना बहुत टफ हो सकता है, लेकिन कुछ कुछ चीजें हमको पता होनी चाहिए. ठीक है, तो लिंगराज टेम्पल एट Bhubaneswar was created in 11th AD. Then rock cut monuments at Mahabalipuram are 7th AD creation. At Udaykiri, it is a 5th century AD. And rock cut elephant at Dhauli was created during Ashoka's reign. You know that Ashoka as a theme is very important. तो उससे related जितनी भी चीजें अगर आप पढ़ लेते हैं, you can easily cover or solve more than 80% of the art and culture questions easily. Question number 6 पे आते हैं. Which of the following are famous for sun temples? Sun temples देखते हैं. ओमकारेश्वर. ओमकारेश्वर की बात करूं तो ओम is basically a symbol of Shiva? तो 3 तो नहीं होगा, तो अपने आप आई गॉट द आंसर ए, Arasavali. The Andhra Pradesh state government website says that Arasavali is in Srikakulam district and has a sun temple. So answer is A. Omkareshwar is in Mysore and also in Madhya Pradesh, but it is not for sun temple, it is for Shiva temple. The answer is A. Which of the following is correct? Store temple of Pallavas, Mahabalipuram. Yes, it is correct. Kailasha temple of Rashtrakutas in Ellora. Yes. Khajuraho temples, Chandelas. Yes. Answer is D. Now you can see again that Khajuraho temples by Chandelas, it has been again repeated for the third time in 8 questions. The Prime Minister recently inaugurated the new circuit house near Somnath Temple at Veraval. Which of the following statements are correct regarding Somnath Temple? Now, so there are some heritage which is very important. The UPSC has focused on, you know, that key sites जहाँ PM जाते हैं, जहाँ प्राण प्रतिष्ठा हो रही है, and important religious site. Now इसको देखते हैं. Somnath Temple is one of the Jyotirling. Now very moderate statement. Is it also correct? Description of Somnath Temple was given by Al-Biruni. Now this is also correct, but exam condition में factual statement को सही करना, it may be get an issue. Pran Pratishtha of Somnath Temple was done by President S. Radhakrishnan. Now this is a very factual statement. UPSC generally give wrong facts. तो ये गलत कर सकते हैं. और अगर आपको ध्यान होगा कि सोमनाथ टेम्पल की जो प्राण प्रतिष्ठा हो रही है वो लगभग 1950s में हो रही है, एंड उस टाइम के जो प्रेसिडेंट थे it was Dr. Rajendra Prasad and not Dr. S. Radhakrishnan. So you can eliminate this third statement and you will get A, 1 and 2 correct. But in exam condition, this question will be very tough for sure. Because if I talk about this, in 1029, Mahmud of Ghazni visited Somnath temple. And he visited when he saw or when he was impressed by the works of El Biruni in which he described about Somnath temple. The answer is A. With this, we complete this video. For other videos, stay tuned. Thank you.